To install AliExpress, follow these simple steps. Open the App Store on your smartphone. Search for AliExpress in the search bar. Tap on the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your phone. Tap on Open for using the app. Select your country and continue. You will see, first come 50% off. Tap on it to see huge discounts. Check different welcome deals, and select a product from it. Or you can search anything, which you want to buy. Find a product with maximum discount, and you like the most. Must confirm that shipping will be free. Tap on Buy Now for buying your chosen product. Select an account for connecting to AliExpress. Then continue. You have to add your complete address and payment method. Before this, you must confirm your payment and shipping fee. If it is okay, then tap on Place Order. Then enter your complete details as required in the form. Must enter correct details. After filling the form, tap on Save. Then you have to select your payment method. Enter your card details, such as card number, cardholder name, expiry date of card, and CVV. After adding address and payment detail, tap on Pay Now. Your order has been placed. Now you can check your order details. You can avail welcome deal multiple times by using different accounts.